Uh, Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Mayra Alejandra Guanaro. Today I will present the word of the week 5 and 6. The weekend 5 and 6 is the average road of Yopal. I am from the city of Yopal. This is the capital of Casanare Department. The Plains Orientales have diverse landscapes in fauna and flora. It is often crossed by tourists. They take a cute and pleasant experience in their gastronomy. Usually in my city there is a tourist site where people go to exercise, and at the top of the mount you see the whole city and it's right crowd. So I often go with my family to the Virgin and their landscape is very beautiful. The Garces is a tourist place where herons and their quality is abundant. This place on weekends people go by motorbike, car, and bicycles. However, in Yopal there is another strong point. Gastronomy is my favorite meal on Sundays or any day of the week. Plainsmen love roast beef. It is often common to see food restaurants on Sundays in as the main course roast beef. On this day of the year, Yopal tours of the Christmas light at 7 o'clock p.m. in families gathered to share. Yopal is a very harmonious place in we are happy, symbol in welcome. Everyone is completely in beauty to know about this cultural paradise. Thank you for your attention.